Hey, look who's here. Today we're gonna do unboxing of all the pantry products that I ordered from Melbourne health store for my kids. As you may or may not be aware that my youngest got lots of food allergies, and then also my two elder boy and a girl, they don't really have food allergies like my youngest, but they do have sensitivity to certain food, and also environmental allergy like hay fever. They takes after their dad. He got hay fever as well. So what I try to do is, obviously they all coming from the gut, so I'm trying to heal their gut by giving them as much as I can to minimize all the sugar and preservatives and things like that. Sometimes, a lot of parents can relate. I can't fully go 100%, sugar-free or low tox, but I try wherever I can to minimize all the preservatives and sugars and whatever is bad for the gut. So usually I do a order from the health store. So let's unbox it together. It arrived yesterday, as you can see here. So first, they love their chips. I ordered these for their lunch boxes. They're proper crisps. So this one is what's this one? Sea salt flavor, and this one is a barbecue rub. I like these one because they use the high oleic sunflower oil, and they don't have vegetable oil in them, any seed oil. And same with this. The ingredients are pretty clean, and yeah, I buy them. But sometimes if I run out before I do another bulk ordering, I do just get it from the Woolworth in the meantime. I feel bad, but I can't help it. And then what else we have? We've got these coconut rolls. So these are dairy-free, as you can see, egg-free, soy-free, which are the things that my youngest is allergic to. So this is a perfect lunchbox snack for my son. So this one is the chocolate flavor, I'm assuming from the color. And this one is original. Yeah, they're very yummy. Little snack stick. And yep, what else we've got? So this one, this one is an iron supplement for my daughter. She is usually low in iron, and usually I can tell when her iron level is dropping because she tends to have dark circles. She looks very tired and lethargic. And as soon as I see that, I kind of top it up with the iron supplement. But the supplement that I had at home prior to this, she was taking it fine, but just last week I started giving her, and then she was complaining about stomach ache. So I'm thinking there's some sort of sensitivity happening. So I stopped that for a couple of days, and she wasn't complaining of her stomach pain anymore. So definitely I knew it was from the iron supplement. So I thought I'll try this one. This is specially made for kids, and it says it's gentle on the stomach. It looks good to me, but I won't know until I actually try it. And what I like to do whenever I try something new, especially with some kind of supplement or medicine, I always start very small dose and work my way up. If they do have any sensitivity or allergy to certain things, it's not as bad as giving them the whole dose. So this is what I'm going to try. It looks good. It's a gentle on stomach, and it's like it has some fruit flavor, great tasting fruit flavor as well. So we'll see how it go, and I will update another video on maybe just on this supplement, and let me know if you like to see it as well in the comment section. What else do we have? I have, oh yes, I ordered this Noosa Basics deodorant for my teenage son who's just 13. I don't like to give them those deodorant from Woolies and things like that. So these ones are very clean as well. This is the lemon myrtle scent. So it has shea butter, sunflower oil, tapioca, starch, like they're clean. And tea tree oil. So it has like variety of essential oil as well. So it's no hidden nasties, 24-hour protection, alkalize, detoxify, paraben and phthalate free. That's what I like. So it's a let me see if I can open it. So it's a roll-on stick. Oh, smells like fresh lemon. It smells really good. So that's that. And what else do we have? Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I don't know what the hypes are about this. So this is Rocket Fuel. This is for blocked nose and blocked sinuses. I've been seeing this on social media about it, and because my son tends to get blocked nose, especially at bedtime, whenever, you know, he caught a cold or allergies or whatever the reason is, we use Otrivin whenever he gets it, and I don't like it. And I've been trying to find a natural remedies or natural supplements, and apparently this one meant to be natural. So it says 100% natural sinus respiratory support, and I think you put a few drops in your mouth, and yeah. So here so adults starts with 5 drops, children starts with 1 drop, and then we'll see how we go. Yeah, so it has manuka oil, deionized water, menthol crystals, apple cider vinegar, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, lemon oil, aloe vera, xanthan gum. So they're all natural stuff. So we'll see how we go. Maybe I will do another video on this, of how my son think of it. Okay, that's that. Oh yeah, one more thing. It is quite expensive. But then from this particular health store, but then I realized if we buy it straight from Savvy Touch, yeah, it's not that expensive. Not as expensive as how much I bought this one from this health store. So always check it out or shop around. I think I paid like nearly 20 bucks extra for that if I was to buy from the Savvy Touch website. Anyway, and this is something new that I'm gonna try for maybe for myself as well. I do have a few issues with my plantar fasciitis and things like that. So obviously it's the inflammations within the body, and I want to and also for my daughter as well. I just want to heal their guts, my whole family. We'll see how that goes. Colostrum, this is 100% colostrum powder. Yeah, we'll see how we go, and I probably will do another video from that. This is from Grass Fed. This is 100% pure, no added sugar, Australian made. Yeah, this is meant to be good for health. I mean, gut healing. And yeah, I'm not sure how it tastes or yeah, what the effect of it, but all I know is you can use in conjunction with other products while trying to heal the gut. And wish me good luck. Last but not least, what do I have? Oh yeah, I order a bone broth. I do have another flavor still left in the fridge. I thought I'll order another one just in case that one runs out before my next batch order from this store. Yeah, so these are, oops, so this is glass bottle, so they wrapped it really well. Let me see. So this is from Longevity, Longevity bone broth. What's this flavor? I think it's original actually, or not. What does it say? Bone broth body glue. Probably original, but it doesn't have anything written on it. Yep, so this is just a bone broth. I like to put it into their rice, curries, lentil soup and things like that. Yeah, this is also very gut healing. It's good for the gut. And that's it from me today. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, suggestions in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.